Want to activate a Duolingo promo code on desktop and mobile? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to redeem your code on the Duolingo website and app. First, open your Duolingo app, then tap the shop icon. It's the blue gems at the top. Now scroll down until you find promo code. Click on redeem, then paste your promo code. Click apply. And that's it. Now, I'm going to show you how to redeem your promo code on desktop. The first way is super easy. Just add redeem to the end of the Duolingo website address in the address bar at the top. Then press enter. The second way is to open your browser. Search for Duolingo redeem codes. Then open the official Duolingo redeem page. Then paste your promo code into the box and click redeem. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Aladeen Tricks for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.